Right now, we're seeing something intriguing in the film sentiment data. The sentiment score is holding steady at 0, but the momentum has spiked to plus 0.28 over the past 24 hours. This indicates a shift in engagement, despite the sentiment being neutral. With 19 semantic clusters identified, it seems audiences are reacting to specific themes or narratives in current films that might not be reflected in the overall sentiment score. What does this mean for you? Our API returns detailed sentiment analysis, including these clusters, so you can pinpoint what aspects of a film are drawing attention, even when the general sentiment appears stable. Imagine using this insight to tailor your marketing strategies or content recommendations based on what resonates most with viewers right now. For more on how to leverage this data, visit pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.